In this quick and easy simple tutorial, I'll show you guys how to get discount codes for Lululemon. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I will show every step and provide you a free coupon code. So first thing you want to do is just open your browser and just type in promo code.ac. Once you're here, it's going to bring you to this page where you can get a lot of coupon codes. Now just go to the search bar and just type out Lululemon. Once you're here, just click on the first one. Now we should bring you to this page where you can find basically every coupon code that exists for Lululemon. So just go to just scroll down till you see active Lululemon discount codes, and at the bottom you can see that these will expire soon, so make sure you redeem them quickly. Now if you want a coupon code, just click on see code. Now it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to give you the coupon code. Now just click copy and go to checkout when you purchase something from Lululemon. This coupon code saves you about 10% discount, so make sure you redeem it fast. Or you can just click on the bottom thing that says check discount on Lululemon. Now if when you click that, it's gonna bring you to the Lululemon discount checkout. So you could use that if you want to. And as you can see on the bottom, it says 13 used today. So that means this is legit. So if this video helped, make sure you subscribe and like.